And we're back.
I need a gasket set.
Alright. Alright, hey.
Key also.
This is primary shit.
I don't need a key. I just need that. I need a key.
Look at this. The good shit.
Sure?
You sold it to me. You told me it was. I don't know.
You believed it?
It's a judgment call. I don't know.
You believe me?
Oh my god. What's he doing over here?
Trying to get the key on there. Light tapping does not damage. Heavy tapping breaks. And bends. Make sure the gear turns freely. What are you doing down there? Are you playing on the floor with Scooby again? What are you doing? Here, let me show you how to do this. It's real simple. Here,
Dump them all out.
here. Hold on to that. Make sure you don't lose anything. What did you buy all this crap for? Jeez. More dingleberries coming out? Okay, we don't need half that crap.
All that paper's expensive.
You can have the paper for no charge. Put that back in the thing here. Yeah, this is for that 4-speed shovelhead you don't have. So that might not, you might not use that.
Okay.
It's not on this bike. You have to buy a real bike to get that.
It's got to be a 4-speed to be a real one?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Back, look it up. It's on eBay. Or YouTube. Instagram. One of those things. Face turd.
Instagram.
Face turd, whatever it was. Do you have a generator bike?
Nope, no Jenny.
That matches this one here. So you got a real bike?
It'd have a Jenny on it, huh?
You have that too. See these here? I don't care about carburetors. You do need that.
Sweet, I was wondering if those
I don't
intake
need
ones
that.
came with it.
I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Or this. Or this. See these nice seals? They don't fit a damn thing. Don't need those.
Okay,
Don't need
love it.
that. Make sure you read the instructions.
Great.
I don't need that. More starter crap. Looks like it's about the 5th intake gasket. Don't need that. We will need those at some point. Crappy exhaust gaskets. Don't need those. Don't need that. Distributor? You got a distributor? Yeah, it goes in that pan you're looking to get. What kind of head you got? 83? You take these.
Yep.
Gaskets here. You're not using corks till you get that pan head. Okay, how's this other stuff is mix and match? Okay, so we get all the stuff here. I don't think we're doing the intake right now, so let's put those back in there. Don't need them. Alright, so there you go on top of the pile now. These are the gaskets we care about. The other stuff we don't. So you want that out, mix it simple. Don't mix up this other crap laying here for the other guy's bike, which was the 5-speed shovelhead bike. We don't have anybody like that around here, do we?
No.
Okay. Just the stuff that wasn't in the set that you need. We'll put that over there just in case we need it. Okay, there's what I'm looking for. One gasket. Here's your cover up. Okay, let's see how good your pinion bushing is. A little loose, but okay. You know why it's okay? Because I don't want to screw with it.
That's okay.
We don't know yet. We haven't checked it yet. It went out pretty easy. That's a good sign. Ugh. It jams in right there. Oh, when you hit that finger. Okay, see how it works pretty good?
Yeah.
Appears to be fitting. So these two match. Okay, now we try the bush and see if it works afterwards, but for now it's there. Okay, so see all the clearances you got in there?
Yep.
Half of that would be nice. Takes a little work to get half that clearance. Okay, where's your cam?
Here's the new one.
Right here. Where's your washers?
The old one.
Where's your washers?
Right here.
Where's your camera? You're not watching anything.
I've only got 8 arms.
You're supposed to be the camera guy. There's 2 marks here. What are they for?
Timing.
You know what time it is, you said?
It's like about 11:30.
Where's your mark at? I see all kinds of marks, but not the ones I want. I don't know your marks. There's no timing marks on this gear. What's up with that? Should be a mark right in here somewhere.
Seen some when I pulled it off. There was some red paint on the gear.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to have paint. You're supposed to have an actual real
Right.
mark.
I figure that's all about.
That's a crappy ass gear. There's your mark way over here. What's your mark way over here for? It doesn't belong over there. They don't go on the top, bottom, dead center. Where'd you get this gear from? Got some weird timing marks on that thing.
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe they're not accurate, not very good. We'll have to play with that here and take it off in a minute. Okay, well for now we're just going to put this thing on here like this, pretend like it's the right spot. Because normally they're somewhere in this area where the marks are supposed to be.
Right.
Not down here. It's 180 out. So if we go 180 out, the mark's way over here. Yeah, I don't think it's 180 out. So, I'll rip that gasket just watch me. So there's our mark right there. So if you go with the red mark you had in there, which is probably close. Is the red mark on that side of the line or the other side of the line?
Good question.
Don't know?
Mm-mm.
It's a knock. We have a knock in there. Okay. Where's your screws? Didn't bring those either?
Ooh.
Do you have them in the right spot?
I even have a drawing there for you so you don't fuck it up. So I don't fuck it up. Screw it up.
Quit squirting my videos. That almost looks like that. Thanks. Good marks. Where's this one go?
That goes under, yeah, bottom.
Where's this one go with a spacer on it? Where do these go?
It almost seems like you've done this before.
Where do these two go? Okay, where's the missing one? See the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Guess why that one's longer?
It's taller because it steps up there.
I'm sure glad we had that special thing over there. It helped a lot. Good job.
You're welcome.
Those are just tight.
Yeah.
Not much in play in that. So I'll take his exhaust bracket under here. Because these screws are bottoming out almost. Did you have a bracket under here?
No.
Not on your bike?
No.
Why are these screws so damn long then? Long. Okay. See how much clearance is that?
5?
Maybe. Barely.
We're looking for 8 to 12 or something like that? 8 to 11?
More than that. We got a video on there. See the video? Video. See clearance? I'll get it figured out. It comes off the stand, it works a lot easier. See how it's dark in there? There's no light. See? This camera guy sucks around here. Here's how you're supposed to do it.
It's hard to find good
There you
help,
go.
You know what I mean?
Oh, look at that. Oh, I can see something now. Okay, so you got in-play right in here, see? It's hard to do with one hand because it's so little. I can't go back there. Here, hold that. Focus in on it this time. No, he left. So it's real tight, see? We need more clearance. Okay, I'm going to check our backlash and our teeth by going down here where the gears are at. Do you hear any clicking?
Not really.
Okay, turn a little bit, check it again. Nothing. Check it again.
Teeny bit there.
A little bit right there. Okay, so we know the fitment's good. Okay, so we know we need 5,000 more in play and the gear mesh is good. Okay, we'll be back. I got interrupted.